To connect your Canva website to a GoDaddy domain, follow these steps. Publish your Canva website. First, create and finalize your website in Canva. Once done, click on Publish at the top right corner of the Canva website editor. Choose the option to publish to a custom domain. Get the website link. Canva will provide you with a link to your website. Copy this URL as you will need it to connect to your GoDaddy domain. Log into GoDaddy. Go to GoDaddy and log into your account. Manage domain settings. In your GoDaddy dashboard, find the domain you want to connect to your Canva site. Click on DNS or Manage DNS to access the DNS settings. Add CNAME record. In the DNS settings, look for the CNAME section. Add a new CNAME record. Host. Enter www. Points to. Paste the URL you got from Canva. Set the TTL to 1 hour or leave it default. Save and wait. Save the changes in GoDaddy. It may take 24 to 48 hours for the DNS changes to propagate.